Go ahead.
Shanti. I like hockey. How do I get the feeling when I watch hockey or play hockey? Like I feel there's no, I live in the moment, like I'm in the present moment when I watch hockey. How do I get that feeling all the time?
Yes. Okay. Happiness, you can turn on, you can be unmute. Yes. Happiness is your basic nature. If you are in the present, nothing will bother you. You want to be happy and free, just be quiet, then you realize. Being quiet means withdraw your senses from the world outside. Withdraw your mind from the past and future. If there is no mind, there is no time, no space, no stress, no anxiety. How do you create the state of stillness of the mind or to get the power of now? Is simply observe the breath. Observing the breath will quiet the mind. Quieter mind won't drain any energy. You will be in the present. You will be connecting with your consciousness. Consciousness is an observer. It observes that a body is not me. I am the observer of the body. If anything happens to the mind, you say, I'm not my mind. I'm not my emotions. Mind is far away from me. Body is far away from me. Emotions are far away from me. So what you do is just visualize your body moving away from you. 10 feet, 50 feet, 100 feet, 1,000 feet, until it becomes invisible. Feel your thoughts and emotions are moving away from you. So those thoughts and emotions are not yours. You will be observing. When you observe, you don't judge. You don't say it is right or wrong, good or bad. You experience peace. So when you become observer, you find peace. If your mind cannot become quiet, another solution is don't think of any thought that is negative. Instead, replace with the thought that is positive. You want to be happy, create the thoughts of happiness. Visualize happy events in your past. You can visualize, you can project, and you create new personality that is real. So you dwell on new personality which is happy and free. That becomes reality, and your old personality becomes like a dream. You project and create new dream. All your life, you have created negativity and repeating it constantly. So whatever you saw, so you reap. Whatever you think becomes reality. Whatever you perceive becomes your reality. So declare, I am happy and free here and now. I don't have to get it tomorrow. I'm happy and free here and now. I don't need to do anything. I don't need to go anywhere. I don't need to accomplish anything. Just being quiet and still, being here and now, you can experience. You experience it for 5 seconds and you love it. Extend it for 10 seconds. Extend it for months, for minutes. Extend for hours. So that you build up that personality which is positive and happy. Longer you stay, you create the brain connection, neuroplasticity. So that becomes your secondary nature. You have programmed yourself, brainwash yourself, hypnotize yourself with all the negativity. So your unconscious mind controls you. Though you wish to be happy, your unconscious mind sabotages you. It projects negativity. You are slave to it. So all you need to do is change the program. Think about all the positive things. Think and feel that you are free and happy here and now. So if you want, you can affirm with the mantra you learned. Remember? So hum. So means that, aham means I am. So hum. So means supreme consciousness. Aham means I am. I am connected with supreme consciousness. So you can think about so with incoming breath, hum with outgoing breath. So if you dwell on the breath, so and hum, that I am, you think about it, you visualize it, you believe it, you live it, it becomes your reality. So only thought comes, I am, one with supreme consciousness. It absorbs all other thoughts, all the negative thoughts, anxiety, depression, restlessness, all these things go away. Just consider the bright light removes the darkness. You can throw light on darkness, you can remove darkness. If you throw darkness on the light, only light will remain. So the light is, you are experiencing the reality that you are free. And you have to express it, visualize it, live it, have sights and sounds of happiness and freedom. Whatever you visualize becomes registered and stays with you. And every time you do that, you become stronger in that direction. So there is nothing that is imperfect in you. It is only conditioning. It is only paying attention to the dream that is impermanent. Wake up and realize that you are free here and now, and you will experience the freedom. So listen to this tape regularly and reprogram yourself. Use the affirmation that I am not the body, I am dwelling within the body. I am not my senses, I use sense organs to perceive the world. I am not my mind, I use the mind to perceive the world. I'm not my emotions. I'm not my intellect. All these faculties I use. I am consciousness, observer of body, senses, mind, emotions, and intellect. I am free. You are observer, nothing happens to you. Only when you identify yourself with the body, you become the body. You identify with the mind, you become the mind. If any thought comes, create the distance from the mind. I'm not my mind. Anything happens to mind, I'm not connected with it. So disassociate and remain as an observer. You observe a movie, and movie has sad scenes, movie has scenes of anger, movie has scenes of violence, movie has scenes of sadness. But you enjoy all of those things because you know you are observer. You are an observer. Even shooting is going on, you know that it won't touch you because you are observer. So that is what you think and meditate. Also, anything you love, you like hockey, visualize that. Cultivate the hobby. Do that. You be busy with things you love. So there is no room for negative things to enter within you. Even if you think about it, you find instant peace. You get inspiration. You feel joy. And that is what you need to build with a regular practice. Listen to it, dwell on it, create your own visions that builds your happiness and freedom. Okay?